Yes, I am very happy to see you all. Very nice to see you all today. Very nice. Hey, give some big more photo. More give here. Cannot see all. Yes. I know what. Yes, very nice to see you all. How are you? How are you, everybody? Yes, Dandavas to see you all. Yes, Dandavas. Yes. Yes, Krishna bless you that day. Actually, this day I have to serve everybody. This is my service day. Actually, my service day every day. But this I have to serve mostly today. More serve to the devotees today. Gurudev gave me position to serve you all. But this is the service day for me, and all the Gurudev always merciful to all the devotees. And I am also praying to you. You also pray to Gurudev for me. That is my request, humble request. That is necessary. Everybody is okay? How are you? Everybody is okay there? Everybody's health is okay? Yes, here also many thousands of people came take prasadam. Minimum 1,000 people is yesterday, but day before yesterday they are staying here. And many thousands people, local village people came for taking prasadam here also. So many people came to a great festival here. And I am also happy to see you all today. That's actually, this is the my fortunate day that I can serve to the devotees. And so many Vaishnavas came from Mayapur, I can serve them. That is also my fortune. And Sadhu Sangha, that is necessary to Sadhu Sangha. That is the great fortune for me for today. This is the main thing. And I am also telling you, you also together practicing properly Krishna consciousness, more together and more tolerance, more be humble and give honor to others. That is necessary. Vaishnavism is necessary for Gurudev's instruction. Be humble, tolerance and give honor to others. You understand that? That is necessary to all our Vaishnavism. Kabe jibe daya hoibe uday, nijo sukho bhuli sudino hiday. Kabe jibe daya hoibe uday, nijo sukho bhuli sudino hiday. Kabe jibe daya hobe, আর নিজের সুখে ভুলে সুদিন হৃদয় নিজের when I forget my own happiness, own enjoyment, I will forget my own happiness. I want to make happy to Gurudev. Actually, I accepted today my birthday, accepted big festival because of Gurudev will be happy. For that, I accepted this festival today because Gurudev is more happy. If I not Gurudev, all the devotees told me this year want to make festival in Navadvip, and I accepted their request because if I not accept, Gurudev will be unhappy, and further Gurudev will be happy. For that today I accepted my festival these days. So many big festival I accepted for that. This is the main things. Any other question from you? Anyone you want to ask something? Anything is you want to ask anything? Tell me. What you want? Tell me. That is already you got it. That you already got it. That you already got it. You another boon you have. You ask another boon. Can ask then can tell me. You already that is already happened. And another you have to have something. You ask anything from me. Tell me. This is only joking. I am always with you. When Prahlad Maharaj told to Nrsimhadev, what do you want? And he told, I want only my father is too much. My father is hitting you, and I want you can give some mercy to my father for this. But the Nrsimhadev told, it's already happened. You other things you want, and that Prahlad Maharaj told that you give me that kind of boon. You that asking desire have to remove from my heart. That I want from you. That's I want asking desire from my heart. Like this. I also my desire also like this. Kabe jibe daya, when I can give some benefit to others. From me, actually my whole life I surrendered to Gurudev, but I do not know how much I surrendered to my Gurudev. But whole life I came to When I left my house, previous home, and I left a real home I got. Gurudev, I was actually, we do not want to do bhajan, we do not want to do, I do not want to know anything. But Gurudev make me as his dog like this. For that I am serving as a dog, his dog like this. Still I am serving, I am protecting his temple like as a dog, protecting his temple like as a dog. That is all the devotees mercy, and all the devotees wants that. For that I am doing that like this. Okay, any other things? Tell me something. I heard everything, and I call all devotees names, and I call all the pranami, all the donation what you gave to Tegi Maharaj. I got everything, and all Tegi Maharaj told me name to name, and I got everything from you. Happily I heard the good program you happened, and he gave me good report to me, and I am very happy like this. And more I want to send like this more oftenly I want to send more and more, for that your devotional activities will be more encouragement and more powerful and more will be more glorious. That's for that I want to send more sannyasi there again and again.
Oh, Jai. Thank you very much,
Yes. Where is Premashindu? I am not seeing Premashindu. Why he hiding?
He's a little late today, man.
Oh,
Busy.
a little busy. Okay.
We are very happy to see you today, Maharaj, and to hear from you on your Vyasapur day.
Yes.
We consider ourselves very, very fortunate for that.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're so busy but still making time for us. So
Okay. Yes. Joy, Srila Guru Maharaj ki joy. Jai Vishnupada Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki joy. Jai Chaitanya Saraswati Math, South Africa ki joy. That is Johannesburg. Johannesburg, South Africa, Johannesburg devotees, all the devotees ki joy. Harinam Sankirtan ki joy. Samagat Sri Gaur Bhaktarindu ki joy. Nitai Gaur Pramanande Hari Hari Bol. Actually necessary sincerity, necessary chastity. Actually necessary more chastity and more sincerity necessary for service. I am telling to the devotees, it is my advice, more sincere and more chastity necessary for your service activities. I want more and more from you. That is my request, all the devotees. Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki joy. Okay.
Acharya Maharaj ki.
Dandavad, all the devotees. Dandavad. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you.
Yes, finished. And there, what is us?
Mauritius, he's not online. Alokshaya Prabhu wanted to make the program, but I don't know, he's not online now. Probably in Italy now. ¿Alguien puede ir a ver si están las gotas abajo de Venezuela? Mandakini.
What is telling?
There's Mandakini Didi wanted to come, but I don't know if she knows that she can come up.
No problem. কোথায় আছো? মাইকে অ্যানাউন্স করে দাও যে দীক্ষাগুলো কতগুলো হবে, সেগুলো আবার বাদ পড়ে যেন না যায়, সেগুলো ভালো করে বুঝেই সব কিছু আনতে হবে। মেন জিনিসটা ওসব তো করলাম। Yes.
Who's that?
Italy.
Hello?
ধন্যবাদ কৃষ্ণকান্তায়, ধন্যবাদ। I am very happy. Ramchandra called me, they are making program there. Yes, I am very happy to hear. Yes, cannot coming. That photo not clearly coming. Yes, so many devotees are there. Very nice, very nice. I am very happy to see that all the devotees very nicely. Can you see me? Yes. Yes, I can see you something, but not clearly. I can recognize, but not clearly, pure clearly, not photo not clearly. South Africa coming very clear, but this not coming clear. The Tagi Maharaj giving good report to me, and what donation you gave, everything I got it. He gave me happily, and I am very happy. Actually today, so many people came, and but you requested to Mahamantra Prabhu to give some lecture. Yes, I am ready to, because you know that whole time I am tired. If I see the devotees, my energy is always increasing, and I am not tired for me like this. For that, I am very happy to see you all. When I see Krishna Kanta, I see remembering Gurudev's face as like this, like Krishna Kanta. When I see the Manindra Mohan, and Manindra Mohan today I did not see. There is a Vishakha, I see that. There is a Vishakha, I can see that Vishakha is there. And also, yes, Vishakha is there. Yes, I am very happy to see that, see her. I am very see her. Actually, I can tell the devotees like this. Actually, this year they make the big festival in Navadvip. Many more than 5,000 people take prasadam today. Many of thousands people. This is very. They make this festival today, but I accepted this festival because Gurudev will become very happy for that. Otherwise, I do not want my birthday. I do not want a celebration like Jay. I'm making. I do not want to make. Like I become getting shy. But if Gurudev will be unhappy for that, for making Gurudev happy. For that, I accepted all the devotees' request. When I was in Siliguri, few days before Siliguri and Nepal and yes, Siliguri and Kuzbihar, Dinhata, and that time they already arranged everything, and I cannot tell them no, and then always takes money for that. For that, they within 10 days they make the big festival here. Everything they make. Very big festival they make here. Now clearly I can see something to you. And if I see where is the Monindra? Where is the Monindra? It's behind. Where is Monindra? Yes. Yes. If I see Monindra, then I am thinking, yes, Monindra, yes, Dandavas. How are you, Monindra? Yes. When I see you, I am thinking I am collecting rice with Medinapur, that rural village with you. Understand? Like this I am thinking. I am very happy to see you. All the devotees, I see Vishakha is there. Vishakha will take care of his health. And I am praying for her health. Yes, like that. For that, Gurudev told me, if you love me, love my dog. You can consider as a Gurudev's dogs. That is sufficient for me. I do not want more than that. Like that. I do not want more than that. And that Poniri man also here. That Ramchandra, today so many Poniri is here, Ramchandra. Today so many Poniri, they are throwing everywhere. Poniri. You missing that, Ramchandra. And that today is throwing so many cakes also, Ramchandra. Go Postavara, you make Postavara today? Yes. Oh, good. Okay. I also take Postavara today. They are cooking so many things, but or special foods for me, Postavara they make for me also. I took only that. Today Postavara also make. Some of the devotees they make for me. Actually, that is the main things. Gurudev always giving energy. And so many devotees, actually, I am unqualified person. I have no qualification, but Gurudev make me, slowly I can understand what Gurudev wants to me. I do not want to do bhajan, but Gurudev always forcefully keeping me in his lotus feet. Gurudev always keeping me, always forcefully he is keeping me, his lotus feet always he is keeping me. That is my hope. For that, where I was, and Gurudev bring me, and he is giving me so much mercy to me. That is sufficient for me. I do not want more than that. That is sufficient for me. Like this. Any other question? Now I can see everybody to hear. Very nicely I can see everybody now. Very nice. Now little clear is coming. Yes. A little baby. Whose baby there? Whose baby is there? Oh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Any other question? Any other question from you? Tell me something. Any other question?
Give us mercy to go again.
Always. Yes, that already you got from, that is already you got from Gurudev. Understand? You already got from Gurudev, that mercy already good. Actually, Srimad Bhagavad Gita told, in this world, nobody is my enemy and nobody is my friend. But who is sincere seeker, who is full faith serving to his Guru, always Guru, and Krishna becoming his friend. Krishna becoming his friend. Krishna becoming his servant, not friend only, Krishna becoming his servant. Krishna becoming his servant, you understand? Krishna becoming his servant, who serve the Guru, Krishna's কবেন তব নিজ জন কোন মহাজনে পাঠাইয়া দিলে তুমি ভাই নিজ জন Krishna sent Gurudev. We lost our address. Krishna sent to Gurudev to find our address. Then real home already we understand what is our real home. We understand already. For that, don't worry about that. But always you will be succeed in your spiritual life, and you will proceed in your spiritual life. Don't worry about that. I am always with you, and you are always with me. Don't worry about that. জয় শ্রীলা গুরু মহারাজ কি জয় জয় বিষ্ণুপাদ জগৎগুরু শ্রীলা ভক্তি সুন্দর গোবিন্দ দেব গোস্বামী মহারাজ কি জয় জয় শ্রী লীলা গোবিন্দ কি জয় শ্রী ইতালিয়ান ডিভোটিস কি জয় জয় অল দ্য অ্যাসেম্বলিজ ডিভোটিস কি জয় অল দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়াইড ডিভোটিস কি জয় জয় ইতালিয়ান ডিভোটিস কি জয় সমগ্র শ্রী গৌর ভক্তবৃন্দ কি জয় হরিনাম সংকীর্তন কি জয় সমগ্র শ্রী গৌর ভক্তবৃন্দ কি জয় নিতাই গৌর প্রেমানন্দে হরি হরি বল Another Dandavas. Yes, thank you all. Dandavas. Here is Janardhan was here. Here is Janardhan Maharaj. Want to see Janardhan Maharaj? Here is Janardhan Maharaj. Can you see him on time? Yes. Here is Janardhan Maharaj. Here is many devotees from South Africa, from Russia, from Venezuela, from Hungary, from Colombia,
Poland,
Ecuador,
Hungary.
from Ecuador. You see that? The Ecuador devotee. I am searching his name. You understand? Ecuador is here. He is here. Ecuador. So many devotees here. Mondakini is here. And Mondakini will try to all Venezuelan people 10 years visa. Understand? I told that. all the people who will bring me here is I will send on aeroplane to the Venezuela, and full aeroplane will come on time. Understand? Then they cannot ignore that. Here Mondakini came here from Venezuela. Okay, another way.
You will like the Venezuela face.
Yes, and so here is Shama Sundari is here. Another devotee is, what is her name? Huh?
Gosha. She's now in
Some
Krishna
from
preached to her.
Poland.
She's coming for first time.
Last time, yes, good, good, very nice, very nice. Another new devotee also came from which country? America.
What country are you from? Poland.
From Poland, one new devotee also came, one woman came. Yeah. Okay, Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki Jai. Ramchandra, you are losing your weight or increasing your weight?
I'm losing, no problem.
Yeah, be careful. Be careful, Prabhu, be careful. When you be careful.
How you will lose weight in Italy?
Italian pasta.
Yeah.
Italian pasta, if you take, you cannot lose, cannot wait.
Use pasta das.
And Maharaj telling, Janardhan Maharaj telling, not to be a became a pasta dash. Dash means servant, servant of pasta. Okay. Okay. Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai. Okay. Jai.
He's also new from Venezuela. This is Elvis. His name Elvis.
Yes, he's her husband.
Yes.
Her husband. He is not new. She is not She is not new. She is connected. Yes, Dandavas. Yes. Ram. Brajorama, yes. Yes. Yeah, how are you, Brajorama? Hungary. Yes, I am very happy to hear you. Very nice. And Tegin Maharaj gave me good report. I saw some photo. Everything is very nice. Very nice. You are doing your program with the new devotee. Understand? Very nice to see you. And who is there? Another girl, lady is there? Yes, smiling. Enakshi, yes. Yes, very.
Everybody's here yet, but
Yes. Yes, I am very happy to hear you. Everybody, I am very happy to hear you. Actually, you are serving very nice. Actually, this time is Navadvip, so many people came from the Bengal. So many people came to this time. So many people came in this time. 5,000 people came. You understand? Yes, you heard that. The 5,000 people to Prasadam is more than 5,000 people. For that, actually, I gave you time. Then I will talk to you. Because Krishna always merciful to you, and always you are serving to the devotees, and you are always full-hearted, that sincere with sincere service line, and you are proper line you are following. Then for that, no problem for you. Always Guru Parampara line you are following properly, and you are helping the devotees, you are connecting with the devotees, and you have sincere and you have love and affection for everybody. For that, no problem for you. And you are in day by day, you will increase your spiritual life. Like this, I heard you also dancing in Italy. I heard that you there Samas, yes. You dancing in Italy, yes, Samas attracted the people, that is good. Okay, in this way, how anyhow, Dr. Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur told anyhow, people you can bring people Krishna consciousness. Kabe jibe daya hoibe uday, nijo sukho bhuli sudino hidaya. When I can make some benefit to others. When I can forget my own happiness. When I can forget my own enjoyment. When I can give benefit to others. This is always thinking Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this way. For that, in this way, you have to preaching Krishna consciousness. Day by day, you can be increased. because today is very tired, you know that. But when I see you and when I see you like this, my energy is getting more and more energy is coming. Understand? When devotees is coming like this. Oh, very nice. Okay, I saw his big cake. Yes. But I cannot give air from here. I cannot stop your candle. But okay. I am taking your cake. No problem. Very good cake they make. Yes. Very nice.
With some food. I know you like the posta pakora.
Posta pakora, yes. Yeah. Then now whole world know I like posto. Huh? Yes, good. Okay. Very nice. Okay, Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki Jai. Gurudev always is with you, and I am always with you. You are always with me. No problem for that. Don't worry anything about any bhav. Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki Jai. Jai all the Hungarian devotees ki Jai. Shamagatri Gaur Bhakta Vrinda ki Jai. Nitai Gaur Pramanande Hari Hari. Please come again. Time to time come again. Try to come again. Anytime you will get time, you will come again. Okay? Dandavad. Jai. Yes. Dandavad. Jai Guru. Jai Vishwasila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki Jai. No smiling.
No, she smiled.
Smile. Yes, Dandavad. How are you, everybody? Okay. Good prasadam, everyone. Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki Jai. Jai Vishnupada Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki Jai. Today is I got report everything started from Tegi Maharaj. The good festival happening. I also got report from before also, and for describely all. Hey, so yes, come. Yes, I got report all everything. Everything I got report from Tegi Maharaj. Very nice report there. Very nice report there I got, and I am very happy to see you all. Adaksha Prabhu, how are you?
And my youngest is missing in some grades.
Yes. And I am today my birthday. I wanted to ask one question. Very important question. How much you have love and affection for your wife? Too much, huh? Too much love and affection for your wife, huh? Because I am thinking, Vishnupriya, I am always praying to Vishnupriya Devi. If Vishnupriya Devi not sacrifice, I cannot get Mahaprabhu. And I am praying to her that kind of situation. Understand? In this day, you have to think until Gaur Purnima, then you will give me answer before Gaur Purnima, okay? That very nice, very big festival happened. Very Dandavad Maharaj. Dandavad Maharaj, Dandavad. Yes, please. Yes, Dandavad Maharaj. Dandavad Maharaj. Yes. Very big festival, very big festival Maharaj happened here. 5,000 people take prasadam today, Maharaj. 5,000 people take prasadam. Actually, you can. Gurudev told me, you told you phone call that time I am giving lecture, morning lecture. And after that also I gave lecture until 1:30. Then people are taking prasadam because so much announcement and so much make big gate and so much big festival they make and so much sari distributing all the ladies. For that old ladies, for the government I was do something for seva like this. For that so many people came this year and festival like this. Okay, yes. And Madhusanda called me yesterday mornings. Madhusanda called me morning. Yes. Yes, Maharaj. I am very happy, Maharaj. Please give some mercy to me, Maharaj. I am always with you, Maharaj. Like this, you can consider. Yes, and you can consider as a dog. You can consider as a dog. Gurudev's dogs like this. But you know that before I am, you know that my behavior like this, Alsatian dog. Now I am becoming cool. I am trying to make cool like this. Because I am the Alsatian dog of Gurudev. Now little sour like this, like this. I am trying myself. I am trying my correction for myself. Understand? I do not want to do Hari Bhajan. I do not. But Gurudev bring me here, and he always forcefully keep me in his lotus feet, Maharaj. Still he is doing that. I am thinking that, Maharaj. Yes, Maharaj. Yes, Maharaj. Yeah. Yes, Maharaj, so many, Maharaj, so many. 1,000 only, like Hazulta devotee came, they are staying still here. Still they have only 100, maybe less, 900 still is here. They still have today. They are giving a class in the time. Like many, but full of people, because Mayapur Sannyasi, Mayapur Brahmachari, we cannot give the palace to the Samas palace, we cannot give some Sannyasi, we can give place on the share. All Brahmachari, they are always standing outside because all full in the that is museum, Centennial Hall, and we all that table, all everything we remove, still that is all full, Maharaj, like this. Very, very big, very successful. Now, because if devotees, I was in Siliguri and Nepal, we and Santosh Prabhu and Teki Maharaj, before he an instruction gave something Santosh, and they are already arranged big festival. I cannot avoid that, because if I avoid that, then Gurudev will be unhappy. But Gurudev happiness, actually I am getting shy. I do not want to make my birthday in these days. I am always getting shy. I do not want to do like this kind of things for myself. But all the devotees they wanted, for that I cannot avoid that, Maharaj. That like this. Yes. Dhanavad. Yeah, Dhanavad Maharaj. Yes, I went many places, Maharaj. I went Siliguri, I went Nepal. Yes, I went preaching, I went Siliguri, I went Hooghly, I went Bardwan, I went Nepal, I went Coachbihar. Many places I went, North Bengal, I went many places preaching. Teki Maharaj also came. Here is Jonathan Maharaj, you can talk something with me. He is eager to talk with you. Dhanavad, please bless you, Maharaj. Here is here is Jonathan Maharaj, Dhanavad Maharaj. Yes, we talk with Srila Ashram Maharaj by phone. Actually, that is my request in this day. Actually, Adakshaya Prabhu, understand, I need leader for South Africa and Mauritius. Understand, for that I chosen you. For that, I have chosen you. Otherwise, I am not seeing anyone else there. For that, we have to consider. And I am humbly requesting to the Didi, that please you have to sacrifice something for your life. Understand? For that life like this, I am telling you like that. For that you have to thinking, because you know that you also be happy. Understand? You understand that sometimes separation will be more giving so much. Why Siddhar Maharaj make the books loving search for the Lord's servant? You know that why Srimati Radharani, why Sri Krishna left Sri Vrindavan Dham, because of Radharani. Understand? Radharani is giving more separation, he was more benefit, more for that. This Sri Krishna left Vrindavan for Srimati Radhika, because rather Srimati Radhika is getting more enthusiasm and more, not enthusiasm, called separation, also viraho like this, and for that viraho he getting so much pleasure through that. Understand? And here also Srimati Vishnupriya Devi always taking care of shoes of Mahaprabhu, and she also became very happy with that. I heard his life history, how she considered and how she left her life for that. I am very happy also to all the devotees are there. I am very happy, and I heard Mauritius devotees too much enthusiasm for the poor people, because Mauritius after Gurudev's disappearance, it is some hidden. It is some hidden. And now I sent Tegi Maharaj. It is coming from like blooming like this, automatically blooming. I saw that after Tegi Maharaj, I saw he sending and he gave me report, and I am very happy to hear that. Understand? And in this day, I am giving some proposal to you, and you have to consider this for the benefit of the mission. You have to sacrifice. You understand that sometimes you have to life history of Bali Maharaj and or Bamandev. He told you he asking three path bhumi, like this. Three path bhumi means
3 steps of life.
3 steps of land. He wants 3 steps of land, but Shukracharya told not to give. But he promised to Bamandev that I will give 3 paths, but I will give you. But this is small. You are so small things you are asking. But when he took 2 paths, everything he took. After that, he told, what I will give more? I have nothing. He told, you give everything, but you did not give yourself. For that, now you have to give yourself for service for your life. Understand? Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai. Om Vishnu Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda. That is my humble request. In this line, I am telling you, but you will consider that, and I will be free from some audit free. Then you can preaching there, you can preaching there properly, and time to time I can send off the Sannyasi, taking Maharaj again, send, no problem for that, but you have to consider that. And this day, please forgive my offense like this, and I am, you can consider as a Gurudev's dogs to me, that is sufficient for me. For that, I am very happy to, for that, like this. Jai Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai. Again, phone call coming to Dandavad, Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Who is speaking, please? Oh, Pranashari, yes, Pranashari. I am, yes, tell me, how are you? I will give lecture in the temple after Indian time 9:30. Okay? After 9:30 I will give lecture. You will go to the temple? Miami. Oh, acha. Okay. Oh, you're not Caracas. Okay. Yes. Yes. You can come, try to again come and try to come again quickly, huh? Yes, try to. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, good. Yes. Yes, good. Yes, good. Yes, good, that very nice, yes. Dandavat, okay. Dandavat. Okay, bless you.
Brazil.
Maharaj, 2 minutes. Prema restaurant.
Okay, tell me. Yes. 2 minutes no problem. 10 minutes. I'm tired. Are you already phone call to them?
Yes.
Okay. Send you message.
just connected and they are happy that you're talking. You're going to talk to them.
Did you say bye to the devotees here?
Yes, okay, Haribol. Dhanbad all the devotees. I am very happy to you all. Like this, I can see that all the devotees. Like any other question from you? Any other question? Any other question anybody have?
We also we had a celebration. Many people came.
Yes, I know. Today they cannot walk, they cannot move because they eat so much today. They take prasadam too much today. Yes, good. Yes, tell me.
When will you come, Mauritius?
That is the question for everybody all over the world. They are asking the question. But immediately I finished that problem. You know that some problem in the court maybe next year January 2014 will be finished. And understand this problem will be finished. Yes. And Jai Om Vishnupada Jagadguru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Goswami Maharaj ki Jai. Jai Om Vishnupada Jagadguru Srila Goswami Maharaj ki Jai. All the assembled devotees ki Jai. Shamaga Sri Gaur Bhakta Vrindo ki Jai. Harinam Sankirtan ki Jai. All the Mauritius devotees ki Jai. All the worldwide devotees ki Mauritius Sri Chaitanya Sarvata Math ki Jai. Jai Srimad Adakshaja Prabhu ki Jai. Shamaga Sri Gaur Bhakta Vrindo ki Jai. Nitai Gaur Pramanande Hari Hari Bol.
Jai Vishnupada Jagadguru
Jai. Dhanavas, all Dhanavas. Thank you so much. Dhanavas. Yes, here.
Radhika, chama o pessoal que ele vai entrar online agora. Maybe I choose your connection.
This connection.
Amanda's back.
But she have not accepted. I don't know probably this.
Por que você não aceitou ele aqui? Ele está dizendo que você não aceitou ele. Ele tem uma conexão. But their connection is not so.
Yes. Dhanavas. Radhika, how are you, Radhika? I'm very happy to see you all. Very nice. Very nice to you. Very nice. Very nice to have you. Oh, here is that boy also there.
Rasikananda Govinda Hari.
Govinda is here.
Damodara.
Damodar Prabhu is there. And that Buddhist servitor, what is his name? What is his name? Buddhist servitor.
I don't know, I can't see.
Devabandhu is here. Devabandhu Nandapriya. Nandapriya. What is his name? Nandapriya. Yes. Okay. Not here properly.
You have to fala mais alto, que está muito longe do microfone.
Microphone. Yes, Portuguese. You know Portuguese?
I know.
Yes. Yes. I am very happy to hear you also. Cannot see properly, but cannot recognize you. But I can see like this. Can see like this very nicely.
There were a lot of people there.
Yes, lot of people there. 5,000 people take prasadam. 5,000 people take prasadam too.
I'm planning to go to India and I'm planning to go to in February.
Yes, good, very nice. I am very happy. Please come and stay few months here. I'll be very happy. Yes. And I am very happy to hear that everybody like this very nicely. Here is another boy. What is small side? What is his name? Someone they are coming. Husband and wife.
I don't know.
Husband and wife. They always and
Premananda?
Premananda.
Premananda, no, he's in his home. I just spoke to him now.
Yes. Ramadan not coming. Yes.
We're going to start the program in a while. Start here.
Okay, good. Govinda Nandini is there? Govinda Mohini not here?
Yeah,
Govinda Mohini, where is Govinda Mohini? Dandavas. ¿Cómo estás? Dandavad. Very nice. Oh, very nice.
Very nice.
Yes. What is this?
Sorry.
Very nice.
Acho que tá bom já, né? Ele tá com um pouco de pressa.
Yes.
Fala perto do microfone, não dá pra ouvir o que vocês estão falando.
Yes. Dandavad. Yes.
Eu não tô escutando nada que vocês estão falando.
Yeah, Dandavad. Dandavad, Sujay.